This is my presentation on the online program evaluation proposal. The school I teach at is called University Heights Middle School. It is a 7th and 8th grade school located in Riverside, California. Our mission statement reads, University Heights Middle School provides a holistic education through challenging cross-curricular instruction, inspiring students to become active, caring, and creative lifelong learners. By actively participating in their own learning, our students develop a deeper understanding of the ever-changing world around them and their place in it. As you can see on the chart below, we have our students grouped and also the percent of total enrollment that each group makes up. The largest group for my school is Hispanic. Also, you'll notice that over 87% of our total enrollment is classified as socioeconomically disadvantaged. In addition, over 42% of our students also are classified as English learners. In order to create a program for online learning that is successful, we need to consider certain aspects. First, we need to encourage department ownership. The more ownership faculty feel for the process, the more likely they are to participate in the development of a consistent approach. Next, we need to base objectives off of the mission. By doing this, it will standardize the courses and provide a solid foundation. Next, our course must be learner-centered, not faculty-focused. We need to ensure that there are clear grading criteria to help each student be successful. And finally, an online program, we need to continually evaluate and address the needs and go back and fix those needs as we see appropriate. So, what needs to be evaluated? There are 3 things. First, the course itself. Next, we must evaluate our instructors. And finally, we must evaluate the program as a whole. When we talk about course evaluation, one thing to keep in mind is that it should focus on whether or not the course provided learning opportunities. Some aspects to include are the overall online course experience, the orientation to the course and course materials, the content, was there enough and was the quality of materials adequate, the discussion and interaction with other students and the instructor, the self-assessment of the level of participation and performance in the course, as well as the degree of contribution to the learning of others. We need to evaluate the course management system. Was it easy to use? We need to evaluate the technical support and also the access to resources. As far as the instructor is concerned, when evaluating the instructor, you ask yourself, did they encourage student-faculty contact, encourage cooperation among students, encourage active listening? Did the instructor give prompt feedback? Did they emphasize time on task? Did they communicate high expectations? And finally, did the instructor respect the diverse talents and ways of working? Finally, in order to evaluate the program, you want to look to see if the program established competencies that address desired goals of the program. Did it develop a set of competency curriculum maps that link each competency to a course or course unit? Did the program develop feedback mechanisms designed to measure the achievement of outcomes? Did the program analyze the results of the feedback mechanisms to identify areas of the curriculum in need of attention? Did the program modify the curriculum in the areas of need? And finally, did they begin the cycle again? So to summarize, when you want to create an online course, you must make sure the course and program evaluation is based on the mission of the school, program competencies, and course outcomes, that the course, faculty, and program evaluation should be an ongoing activity, collaboration between faculty and administrators is necessary, and finally, the course, faculty, and program must be learner-focused.